A triangle has a side length of S and all sides are equal. Write an algebraic expression for its perimeter. Okay, I want you guys to pause, follow these steps, and yeah, I just want the analysis part. Try doing the analysis part. So what is that we have over here? So we have to figure out perimeter of the triangle. That's the unknown. Next, let's break it down. So first thing first, whenever you get a chance to draw, please draw. Draw a neat big diagram. Not too big, medium size, which makes things clear. Since all the sides are equal, I'm going to put one tick, one tick, one tick. Or I can put two tick, two tick, two tick. The tick, whichever matches with the sides, the number of ticks, those sides are equal, basically. If I just put three ticks and three ticks over here, then the side 1 and side 3 will be equal. That's what it indicates. So I'm just using two ticks. So this can be it. Or I can just use one tick. So all the sides are equal. That's the very first thing that I want to do as a breakdown. Whenever you get an opportunity, draw. Whatever it is, draw. Right? So I'll just write it over here, what this indicates. Indicates sides are equal. So whichever has, those same number of ticks, those sides will be equal. Okay, well and good. So how do you generally figure out the perimeter? What is perimeter? Perimeter, if I have this length to be 10, by default all of them will be 10. So perimeter in this case is 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 3 times of 10, 30. What if it was 110, 110, 110? Then it would be the same process. 110 plus 110 plus 110, which is 3 times of 110. Right? Because same thing added 3 times is 3 times of that particular number. So this is the breakdown. So I have a basic idea of it. So here, what is the unknown? The unknown would be number of sides. No, the length of the sides. Length of a side. If I know one of the length, by default all of them will be equal. So what is known? The number of sides. Which is equal to 3. What else? I think this is good enough. Now with this analysis, let's move on to the working. So perimeter, what is that I'm trying to do? I'm trying to write it in words. Okay. I'm trying to figure out in words. Perimeter of the triangle with all sides equal is 3 times of 3 times of a length of a side. Do you guys agree? So here now we have to figure out what is the mathematical equivalence of this. Times means into length of the sides. I have not taken it as any variable. Oh, they have given, that's S. So this entire expression is equal to S, and equal is equal to sign. And so we have a mathematical expression which is equal to 3 times of S. I also can write this as 3S. So that is your answer.